Hello, my name is Robert Strand. I'm CEO of Wolftech Broadcast Solutions. Wolftech is a partner of Vizrt, and we have been working quite extensively with their products and with their APIs. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about our new product, Wolftech Field Agent, and we'll have a look more in depth what it can do for you and how it could help you. The product is based on our experience working together with journalists, reporters, and photographers for many years. And we have tried to put this together in a Swiss Army knife for organizations, making their decision-making easier, faster, better, and saving, in that retrospect, saving time and money. Let's have a look at the Wolftech Field Agent user interface. As you can see, the software is plugin based, so all the icons you can see on the left side are plugins loaded into this version of the software. The Wolftech Field Agent communicates with our home office through a very special HTTP-based protocol, which is AES scripted, which means it's very safe. On this communication channel, we send information about how what's going on in the field agent, which means what are you editing, are you exporting video, etc. I'll show you a little bit more about this when we come to that. You can use whatever kind of editing system you want. It could be Avid, Adobe, whatever, or you can change system. We don't care about that because we want you to export the full quality video. For many reasons, the editing software gets freed up much faster. You can share the content, or you can even put the full quality video into the backend system when you get home. Let's try and show you how it works. We paste in a video file simulating that it comes from the editing system. And if you look into the field agent, we can see that it starts doing a lot of processes. It communicates with the editor through pop-ups, as you can see on the right side. The reason for this is that the editor can just go on cutting, doing his stuff in the editing tool and getting the information he needs through the pop-ups. The first thing the field agent does is it makes what we call a super low res. It's a really, really small file that we transfer back to your home office to a streaming server. This means that the people at the news desk can look through the story before the story is even delivered. You can also send it to subtitling, and you can call the editor back and tell him to recut it or tell him that it's okay. Another important part of the Wolftech Field Agent is its graphics solution and integration, because the player here can play graphics overlaid on the story, and you can play your own graphics or your other channel's graphics or your partner's graphics. Because the editor is the one person that knows his story best, he knows when the lower third is supposed to come in. He can do all the timing himself. He can stretch the timing information, put the metadata in there, and play around with it till he gets it perfect. When the story is sent back to the mother VME system, the metadata follows along with the video and it is integrated into the backend, so it's ready to play out on air much faster than it would in other situations. We can also do other metadata like maps. So what we do here is that we use Google geolocation to try and figure out where the PC is located. If it's not the correct location, the editor can play around with the marker and tell the system exactly where it's filmed. We can also do other metadata. If you want to put the story on web, we can do information for that, or you can do intros, etc. This could be adapted to your own TV station and your needs. The field agent can not only deliver video to the VME system, we can also get video from the VME system. So let's say you needed some pictures of Obama or whatever, you can do a search And when you find the story you want to collect video from, you just right-click and hit download. And in a matter of minutes, you will have the story on your PC. If you're located on some kind of news event or sports event, it's important to be able to share content between the laptops. That's why we made what we call Collaborate. This is basically a list of the PC which is on this local area network at the moment. So you can see we have 3 different PCs, totally 4 PCs on this network at the moment. But you can also share content between your partners or even everyone that has the Wolftech field agent, like you see the buttons on top. If something should go wrong during any of these processes, we can configure the system to get feedback to the editor via SMS. So let's say if he needed to start a transfer and run out and do some more filming, and something goes wrong, he gets an SMS on his mobile telling him to look at the PC and see what has happened. But all this information is useless if you can't look at the people at the news station can't look at what's happening out in the field. And to do that, we have made a map application, and we display all the information you need on this map. Not only can we track and display information from the laptop, we also have a mobile phone application, and we do tracking of cars. So let's say there's a news story evolving in some area that your TV station needs to report on. We can see when the car is going to arrive. Because you can get information from freelancers, from your partner TV stations into this system, it's important to have an application that can filter out whatever you need. You can track one special car, you can track one special news event, and that's why we made this application, so you can show whatever you like to show. This can be displayed on multiple TV screens throughout your organization, wherever it's located, on multiple locations even. This is the very basics of the field agent. In the time to come, there will come integration with XD-Cam, P2Cam, and you can even share content between different locations. A lot of new stuff will be coming up. I hope this will be of interest to you. And if you have some need some more information, please feel free to contact us at wolftech.no.